The Sanford Consortium for Regenerative Medicine combines the intellectual capital of 5 world-class biomedical research institutions under one roof. The goal of the consortium is to unite San Diego's top research scientists under the Collaboratory, a 150,000 square foot facility with spaces designed specifically to support collaborative team research. The project required over 10,000 yards of concrete and features extensive exposed concrete, including ground and polished floors, an exposed concrete pedestrian bridge, as well as punched exposed concrete shear walls. The consortium is located across the street from the famed Salk Institute, and an as-cast finish was selected to emulate the concrete used at Salk.
Really the two unique aspects structurally for the design of the building was this cantilevered slab and the vibration criteria. The state and the developer put in well over $100 million into this building, and at the end of the day, if we didn't meet the vibration criteria, it would have been a worthless building. So that's something that kept us all out at night. But with the concrete solution, we were able to come up with a stiff enough building to meet the design criteria and give the architect what they wanted. From a structural perspective, it was an easy decision to go to concrete. From an architectural aesthetic perspective, they only wanted to see concrete.
Being adjacent to the renowned Salk Institute really drove a lot of the decisions with our concrete mix designs and our formwork decisions. The cantilevered exterior decks. These decks started, they're 16.5 feet cantilever. They started at the walls at 2 foot thick, all the way to 6 inches thick. Okay. With this is a true example of successful early design and constructability coordination between Hope Engineering, ourselves, and Atlas Formwork.
The other thing about the project that most people wouldn't recognize by looking at it is the complexity of the execution of it. The design is a beautiful design, but going out there in the field and translating it to success, it really takes a different approach. And the design of the formwork there, the location of construction joints, pour rates to control the quality that you're going to see at the end. It's real craftsmanship work to build the forms and create a maintenance program that goes along with them that allows that formwork to cycle through the building and get to the top and still look as good as it did at the bottom. In this case, I think the team really spent a lot of time. The project speaks for itself. It's absolutely beautiful. It sits next door to Salk Institute, which many people in San Diego would consider that the gold standard for architectural concrete, and I think the project team really represented well, and I think they achieved what they wanted, and that's why we gave it the award.
There was some tremendous attention to detail. That's something that really caught our eye on this as we looked at this, both interior and exterior. And I think that was manifest in terms of also what we understood about the project, some very tight quality control protocols that had to go into place, and that to me spoke a lot about the sensitivity to the nature of concrete and its use in this particular project, and that very, very tight specifications on this project, and that was very much evident in terms of the work that we saw on this specific project. Turned out very, very well.
Doctor, doctor, give me the news, I gotta